Hi, I'm Luke. Today we've been working on a feeder system to get the balls to the shooter. Yesterday we figured out that balls get clogged up in a hopper system. They just don't reliably funnel into one specific hole. So we decided to go with a track system similar to that on a pinball machine. We're using 1/4-inch copper tubing that we're riveting together. We're putting it in a spiral shape, as that is the most compact design. We should hold about 14 to 16 balls at a time in our robot with this design.
Hey, I'm Jordan. Sort of been helping with the rope mechanism, the hopper, and the gear mechanism to pick up the gears. And then the rope mechanism got a lot easier when we found out you could loop the rope. So that was pretty much done right after we figured that out. And the gear mechanism has just been kind of just a pain in the butt to get into the robot, but other than that, it's all coming together pretty fast.
With this bonnet all the way down, we can make it in the high goal. If we bring it forward, it'll change our angle enough to where we'll make it in the low goal.
Okay, so today, since we finished the vortex, we're going to go on to move on to work on the conveyor belt to pull the fuel up into the vortex, which we're going to use surgical tubing to basically pull it up back and straight up through the middle of the vortex to drop it off onto the top of the spiral.
Yeah, and so while that's going on, we worked on our prototype and then turned it into kind of a production model for the gear pickup system and management system. So that's uses a set of pneumatics on some hinges to create these arms to clamp onto the gears, rotate up, and then manage those to set that on the peg. We figured out that in the kit of parts you guys have these little black suction cup things. We're calling them the octopus suction cups. They work really well to grab the gears. They're really tacky and work really well, so look for those. On a different note, our rope climbing system has been finalized. We're mounting that to the robot right now. It's a big arm that has claws on it that will grab the loop at the end of a rope and winch ourselves up to climb the rope. So that's hardware for today.
On the software side, yesterday was all of the software installation and driver sets. Today we actually got into the development. We developed a spreadsheet that we are managing all of our development through, which you'll be able to see a picture of there. And we're going through the begin, the teleop, the finish, the autonomous, the let's see what else, the vision, and step by step we're implementing them block by block.